Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. So today we are here for our weekly cash stuffing video, and we are going to be we are going to be stuffing $888 this week, and we're going to be stuffing what are we going to be stuffing today? We will be stuffing our I'm sorry you guys, it's kind of probably hard for you all to see that. Let me just count my money up real quick and we'll get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400. I can't do it that way. I'll show you guys in a minute. So we have 400, 20, no I'm sorry, 50, 150. Let's just go ahead and put this over here. Like that a little bit. Is that working out? Yeah. So 150 plus 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So $280. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $80. 5, 10, 15, $15, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So we got 15 and $3. Okay, so now this say $925, but I know that's not right because I should have 400 plus 150 plus, why is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 240 plus 80 plus 15 plus 3. Okay, there we go. 888. So I don't know what I was counting, but now I have it right. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and I'm just moving some stuff over you guys because I got my little notes. I got my little cheat sheet here. Right here I got my cheat sheet so I can see what I'm doing. So let's see, we have grocery. We have $20 left over in grocery. We're gonna put this over here to the side. As a matter of fact, I'll put it over to this side. Eating out, we have nothing left. Xavier's haircut, he did get a haircut, but he only got a lineup, so they don't charge, so we only tip the $5. Let's see, gas stop. We have $40 left, so we're gonna leave that because remember, we're gonna start rolling over our gas for right now since gas has gotten so high. Medical, we don't touch. And the weekly savings, we have $5, $10, $15. So we're gonna put that to the side. So let's go ahead and start stuffing. So for grocery, I did amp up grocery this week because again, grocery is expensive. I'm doing $100 this week for grocery so we can get a little extra. So 50, 70, 90, $100. So we have $100 in grocery. You guys, I think my dog is hungry, so I'm gonna have to feed him in a minute. Eating out, you guys can hear him. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear him because he's over there. Every time I start a video, this dude has to make some type of noise. Oh my gosh. Eating out, we're gonna do $70. So we're gonna do a 50 and a 20. Gas, well, I'm sorry, for haircut, I'm only gonna put, I said I was gonna put $10 in there. So I'll go ahead and put 10, get myself ahead a little bit. For gas, we're gonna do 100. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 100. So that will give us $140 for gas. The only good thing about the gas right now is that with Malcolm's job, he is driving, but he does get a little bit of a reimbursement if he goes so far. But the other thing is he's off a couple of days a week, so he's really only driving technically most of the time Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then he's off Monday and Tuesday. So I mean, it's kind of almost the same, but I don't know. I feel like he works shorter hours and stuff, which is good because we get to spend more time together. Alright, so moving on, we're gonna go ahead and stuff our 1 month ahead. And for 1 month, actually, so for 1 month ahead, I'm not gonna use this, but you all know that I use my 20. So for 1 month ahead, I'm going to actually finish stuffing my car insurance. So we're gonna stuff a full $190. So I have a $100 bill, 50, 70, and 90. Okay. And my car insurance, I'm supposed to have $378. I'm sorry, not car insurance, for house, for our insurance, excuse me, our insurance for us, for life insurance. That's what I'm trying to get at. So let me go ahead and recount this, because I should have the full funds in here now. So let's see here. If you hear that noise in the background, it's the fan over my stove. I am in the house trying to get dinner done. So I do apologize for that in advance. So we have 1, 2, 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 350, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So we do have our full $378. So it's going to be, today is 3. When this goes up, it'll be the 26th. So we're going to do a deposit plus $190. And that brings us to our total of $378. So this particular envelope is considered complete. And so I'm going to take this off, and I will move this envelope here. And so now I only have 2 envelopes left to work on. So we're going to put this one here, and it's complete. I do need to put some tape on this, you guys, because it did come apart. So I do need to get some tape. So for utilities, we are going to stuff our $20 that we do have left here. So we're going to do $326 deposit, and this is going to be $20, and that's going to put us at $50. And that means we need an additional $480. So here we're going to put this in here. Yeah. Every little bit helps. Okay. All right. So this is complete for our 1 month ahead. You guys forget my nails. I'm actually working on. I was trying to do them over, so I'm working on. That's why they look all janky, but don't worry, working on them. Okay, so next we have our in-house sinking funds. I'm gonna just put this here because I bought this check register and I do use it. You guys can see here I do use it. So all right, oops, I was trying to use it. All right, so we're not stuffing 3-month buffer. And so here we go. So we are going to stuff. I'm gonna do a check mark over here for what I've done. Grocery, car, eating, I'm sorry, gas, eating out, haircut, 1 month ahead. So car maintenance is going to get $20, and that's just going to be one $20 bill. And so we got $326 deposit. I know I put $125, but my husband was telling me we're gonna need tires and stuff like that. So I have to start putting more towards this, and that's why I'm not even worrying about that $120. I probably need to save about $1,000, maybe even more than that. So let's see here. So we have 150, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $195. Okay. So Holiday is going to get $10. So we're going to put plus $10 deposit. $10. That's going to be 75, 3, 26. And so we have $10. I'm sorry. Well, how much did I say? 75 for Holiday. Okay. And I'm gonna take the rest of these out because I'm tired of struggling with this thing over here. And I'll just put it back later. That way I'm not struggling. Okay. So for school, this is my son's, this is not his school clothes or anything, but like school supplies and stuff. So I'm having to replenish this because we did have to use it for some school projects that he had. So I am going to deposit an additional $15 for school, and that will put us at $60. And that's going to be a 10 and a 5. 20, 40, 50, 55, and 60. There we go. Then we have our, I am not doing giving actually. So we got car maintenance is done. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing here so you guys will know. So car maintenance is done, school is done. So next we have Hawks. Hawks has to go to the, where is he going? He's going to get groomed. So he's going to the groomers. And it's going to be $55. So I'm going to put an additional $30 in here. So that's going to be a 20 and a 10. So that puts us at, oh shoot, this is the wrong one. Child, hold on. Am I doing anything with the lawn? No, I'm not. So let me put this back. So Hawks, here we go. So I'm gonna do $30, and on Monday, my husband will be taking him to the groomers, and he will be getting nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Alright, so, and y'all see my little doggies there. Yes, yes, yes. 20, 40, 50, and 5. Alright, so there we go. And then I'll just put this to the side. Let's see, Hawks. So for fun, I do have a fun one. So for fun, cleaning supplies, I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna put this to the side. So for, let's see, fun, I'm adding $10. So that way, if we want to go do some things, we don't do much, you know, but deposit $10. That will put us at $60. But I'm trying to do fun because sometimes, you know, my husband or my son decide, hey, we want to go do something, or they, you know, he just wants to go get out and do something. So, and technically he has a school fun coming up, or a school field trip coming up. So this money will probably go towards his school field trip. Or actually, that money I got in there, his school will go towards his school field trip. Hello. There you go, girl. There you go, girl. So, and then we have home. I'm going to do 25. 120 and a 5. There we go. And I'm going to add 25 here. Deposit 25. So that'll be 130. Okay. Alright. So the next thing that I have to do is just my savings challenges. Alright. So this is my binder for, let me move this out the way. This is my savings challenge binder. And so I need to add $8. You guys, something is off because I got an extra $10 here. And I don't know why. So I'm sure as I work through my video, I will find it and I will place it there. But I'm missing, I do have $10 here and I'm not sure why. So, okay. I need to go ahead and add $8 for, who is this for? $8 for our paycheck. So that puts us at $88. Okay. Why is he still making noise, people? Why? See? Just why? So now we are going to flip over to our $15,000 challenge. This should put us at $3,600. So we have one more week to go here and then we'll be at $3,900. So next week on the 1st, I'll be able to go ahead on and count this money out for the, technically we're at 13 weeks right now today, but this particular envelope here, this cash, I don't know why, hold on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, no, so this is 13 weeks. So on the 1st, we'll go ahead and count out all of our money and we'll be at our first 13 weeks for this particular, actually we'll be at our first 13 weeks for our savings challenges, and I'll do my first quarter count next week. And so then we have our $5 that we need to deposit here. And I'm really baffled. I will put on the screen where that $10 is supposed to go because I know I missed it. So we are all set. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not done your budget for the week, go ahead and get it done. Put me on one of your devices, iPad, cell phone, TV, and let's get our budget done together. Again, make sure you hit that like button, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, bye.